have 3 opportunities to come join us in church on a Sunday for our services. You can either join us for our watch parties at 10:45 every morning on a Sunday, or you can join us in the evenings at 6 and 7:15 p.m. for a shorter physical service. You must book in online as spaces are limited, but you can do that on our website and Church Suite, so why not join us?
This is where lost get found. Your goodness all is pouring out. Your presence is new. The
180 Youth is back and meeting, but we're online. So if you would like to join us on Zoom, you can join us every Friday night from 8:15 p.m. So if you want the details, get in touch with us and we will pass them on to you. See you there.
for me and my house, we will serve you. Yeah, we will serve you. And as for me and my house, there's no turning.
Hello, I'm Helen from the National Christian charity Safe Families, and I'm based in Birmingham and the Black Country. Safe Families equips the church to bring hope and belonging to over 130 families locally, because no one should have to face life's challenges alone. This new year, the families and young people we support are looking for someone like you to offer a listening ear, to bring the gift of God's presence so that families know that they are valuable and that someone cares. Perhaps you or someone from your church has a little time to give, to be a friend, to offer a listening ear on the phone. Even an hour a week makes such a difference. In partnership with Safe Families, churches are able to show compassion to families who live in their communities. Practically, such as providing food or items for the home, or by building relationships. We know the difference that connection brings, and every day we get to witness hope being restored and lives turned around. If you would like to be blessed and encouraged with stories of hope, we'd love you to join us online from 7 to just 7:30 on Thursday the 21st of January. Click on the link for details. Thank you. God bless.
Kids Dream is back, so make sure that you join us for a brand new series with a brand new theme. So you can join us on Fridays at 6:30 p.m. or on Sunday mornings at 10 a.m. So why not join us for some fun, some games and some great lessons from the Bible. You can join us on xlchurch.online.church, or you can get us on YouTube. See you there.
For me and my house, there's no turning back now. We will serve you. Yeah, we will serve you.
So don't forget, Connect groups are meeting this week, so make sure you join in with yours. If you're not yet in one and would like to be, just drop us a message and we'll connect you somewhere with one of the Connect groups. So guys, that's all for XL News. Have a great week.